Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change candle color on BingX mobile application. To change the candle color, also known as chart color on BingX, first of all open the BingX application and then go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. From your profile section, scroll down and then click on Preferences. Under Preferences, tap on Candlestick Color. Now there are a couple of options available. Go ahead and choose a different candlestick color option and you can then get back to the Markets tab to view your color change. And that is how you easily change your candlestick color on BingX. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.